Hello everyone, welcome back to your Kazakh learning journey. Today we diving into one of the most important topics, personal pronouns and simple verb conjugation. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to introduce yourself and form basic sentence using I, you, and he, she, it in Kazakh. So you can introduce yourself in Kazakh. Try you say I am and say your name in comments. So continue. In this lesson, we will cover personal pronouns men, sen, all, I, you, he, she, it. The basic structure of the Kazakh sentence, simple verb conjugation for to be and other common verbs. By the end, you'll be forming sentence with confidence, I believe. First, let's start with personal pronouns in Kazakh. He are the three we'll focus on today. Мен, I, sen, you, informal, all, he, she, it. Men means I, sen is you, informal used with friends and peers. And all can mean he, she, it. Kazakh doesn't differentiate gender in pronouns. Repeat after me. Men, sen, all. Great. Now let's put them in the sentence. Now what? Okay. Now that we know the pronouns, let's build simple sentence. In Kazakh, we often don't use to be like in English. Instead, the sentence is simple. Мен student. I'm a student. Sen muallim. You are a teacher. Ол дәрігер. He, she is a doctor. In Kazakh, to be is often dropped. Can you say I'm a tourist in Kazakh? Write it in the comments. Now let's talk about simple verb conjugation in Kazakh. Verbs change depending on who is doing the action. Let's take the verb to read oku. Yeah? Let's take the verb to read. It's mean oku. Мен оқимын. Мен кітап оқимын. I read a book. Сен оқисың. Сен журнал оқисың. You read a magazine. Ол оқиды. Ол газета оқиды. He, she reads a newspaper. Now let's try. Repeat after me. Мен кітап оқимын. Сен журнал оқисың. Мен кітап оқимын. Мен кітап оқимын. Сен журнал оқисың. Ол газета оқиды. Ол газета оқиды. Great work. Let's see what you learned. Choose the correct sentence. What is the correct way to say he reads a book in Kazakh? Ол кітап оқисың. Ол кітап оқиды. Ол кітап оқимын. Yeah? Choose this sentence. What is right? So nice. Okay. Great job today. Now here's your homework. Write the sentence using men, sen, all with any verb you like. Post them in the comments and I'll check them. Homework: write 3 sentences using men, sen, all. If you mention this sentence is collected like first we can put personal pronouns like men, sen, all. And then is you action on the end of the sentence. If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. See you next time. Hoş buldunuz.